back to Rachel's Fit Pilates. This is workout 8 of the ab challenge. The other workouts are listed below if you'd like to try those first. I'll be using a small ball today in some of the exercises. It's optional, not required, but it will bring a little bit more of a challenge. So let's get started. So to start today, we are gonna start with rolling like a ball prep. So we're gonna come into a seated position. Now I'll show you 2 variations of this. So you can either start with your feet on the ground and we're gonna roll back and come back forward. Or if you want more of a challenge, you pick your feet up, have a little curve in your spine as you roll back, deepening that curve and come back up. So it's just a small movement here and building up to rolling like a ball where you roll back and come back up, big move. So we're gonna try that for 5. I'm gonna do it with my feet up. So we roll back and come back forward. And again. And come back forward. So small, nice and controlled. We're breathing in, exhaling, roll back, and come back forward. I don't do enough of this type of work. Really deepening that C curve. And last one. Good. Put your feet down. Next we'll go into neck pull prep. So we're gonna have our feet in front of us, hip distance apart. Our hands are gonna be by our head. We are going to breathe in, exhale. As we roll back, you're gonna take a breath in here. Exhale, flex forward. Nice round curve in your spine. And come back up. And we'll do that for 10. So rolling back, breathe, come forward, and come back up. And again, roll back. Feel that through the abs. Come forward, and up. And again, roll back, come forward, and up. And again, roll back. I get shaky when I do this type of stuff. Trying to prevent yourself from going all the way back, being that nice and controlled. Those abs work so hard. And back up and again. Inhale to stay. Back up and again. And up. Okay, 2 more. And last one. And up. Okay, so let's go into some side lying. So we're gonna work the obliques a bit. So I'm gonna come onto my left side first. So we have our legs stacked on top of each other, and then we're gonna be resting our arm down. This will help us not use our elbow if we're up like this. So I'm gonna have my hand on my hips, and then I'm going to try to come up really to the side here, reaching that hand and coming back down. So we'll feel it into the obliques here. So we'll go up and down for 10. So coming up and down, and with the breath. Exhale up, inhale down. Keeping the abs in here. This will help you feel like you don't rock too much back and forth in the hips. If you feel really shaky, you could always bring those legs slightly forward to help you feel more stable here. And last one. Okay, now we are going to take that top leg. We've done this one before. Pick it up, have the other one come to meet it, and come back down. As soon as I bring that bottom leg up, I can already feel it into here, so I like that. All right, so let's do that for 10. So lifting up, bottom leg comes to meet the top, and we come back down, and again, up. have to look at your feet. Sometimes it just feels like when you get so wobbly, you wanna see what they're doing. Are they truly meeting each other? This is good pelvic stability work here too, to not feel like you're rocking back and forth in the hips a lot. That's something I've seen a lot of progress for myself with Pilates. Okay, let's go to the other side. So we are going to come up and come back down. We'll do that for 10. So reach that arm and back. Exhaling here, reaching, inhale, come down. Keep the abs in. We got 3 more. Last one. Okay, now we're gonna have that top leg, that bottom leg meet the top leg. That one's harder for me. So let's reach up. Bottom leg meets the top leg and come back down. And again, point. I find I'm the most stable when I feel like I'm drawing my abs in and then pointing my feet, trying to feel length through the feet here. Definitely so much more shaky on this side than the other side. Okay, we have 3 more. And last one. Okay, good. Let's come up. Now go into that quadruped position with the ball. So if you have the ball, if you like it and want to use it, you can put it between your knees. We are going to have our hands underneath our shoulders, our knees underneath our hips. I'm going to try to keep my hair on this side so I don't disappear for a while. All right, so we're going to come up for, let's see, 20 seconds. So let's lift up. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. So wait, squeeze on the ball. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good, and come down. Now we're gonna lift up and down for 20 times. So what that looks like is coming up and down, 2, and down. So the big thing here, keep those abs in. Let's not arch through the low back. That is how we get that ab work the most because we're trying to support our spine here. So here we go. Come up and down. If you have that ball, we're trying to have a slight squeeze on the ball to keep it there. With the breath, we inhale down, exhale, come up. Almost done. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. 1. Good. Okay, come down. Let's shake those arms out. From here, we're going to come up and do squeezes with the ball. So we're going to come back down. Now, if you don't have the ball, you can just come up, bring your legs in and out. So just closer together and out. Now for those who do, let's come up and we're gonna give the ball 10 squeezes. So coming up, and then we're gonna squeeze 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now we're gonna hold, so put your knees together, holding for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good, come down. Okay, shake that out. Okay, now we're gonna put the ball there again. Come back to a quadruped position. We are gonna lift up, and then I want you to rock forward and back, and we'll do that for 10. So rocking forward, shoulders, quads, shoulders, quads. Abs are working the whole time. This really is quite a full body move. The ball adds some inner thigh work here too as we squeeze. Draw the abs in. Last one. Good, come down. Okay, from here we are going to drop the hips right and left, so it's gonna be a little bit more into the obliques. So coming back up, you're gonna drop a hip, so like touch your knee, come back up, touch your knee, come back up. It's gonna be a really small range of motion here because you're pretty close to the ground already. I need to take a breath. Okay, come up, drop the knee, and up, down, up. You go right and left, right and left. 2 more, 2 and 1. Whew, I feel that quite a bit. Okay, let's set the ball aside. So we're gonna come into a push-up position. Remember, we're gonna drop our knees down and up, down and up. Okay, let's do that for 15 this time. So drop the knees, come back up. Remember, as we come up, we're trying not to have those hips be really high, like high up in the air here. Keep the abs in. Go for 5 more. Last one. Okay, come down. Okay, our last one, we are going to lie on our backs. Grab the ball if you have it. We're gonna reach our toes up towards the ceiling. Place the ball above our knees here. We're gonna roll up, reaching up, hold, roll back down. And we'll do that for 10. You can have your knees bent here and just reach up and hold if those hamstrings are not feeling it today. Mine are tight too. I realize it's because I always do leg days on Mondays, so that's why. Today's Tuesday for me. Okay, so let's roll up and hold, roll back down. And again, roll up, hold, and down. We're trying to keep your abs in instead of puffing them out. Nice curl here, curling the spine, reaching, having that little mini goal of trying to reach your feet. Okay, 3 more. And last one. Good, come down. That was a good one to finish. Okay, let's sit up. We're just gonna do a quick stretch through the ab muscles here. So drawing our arms up, you can bring your fingers together, reach up, extending through the spine. bring your arms down. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed the workout. This was workout 8, so you have one more left of the ab challenge. I'm so proud of you for making it this far, and I can't wait to see you again.